Hello and great day, everyone. It's been a great Goodwill Week 2019 here at Goodwill and across Alberta as we celebrate the spirit of Goodwill, our partners, and our 800 Goodwillians within all of our sites again across Alberta. From Calgary to Grand Prairie, from Sherwood Park to Spruce Grove, St. Albert, down to Airdrie and back up to Edmonton. It's been a fantastic week. We opened Goodwill Week with the grand opening of Canada's newest and largest Goodwill store, our Westview operation, and it's been a smashing success since opening this past Saturday. Arrived today is a very special document that I'd like to share with you. From the Mayor of Edmonton, actually. Very, very excited. The Mayor has sent this proclamation. It's a beautiful proclamation from Mayor and Council. I'd like to read to you what Mayor Iveson has shared. The City of Edmonton honors the outstanding work of Goodwill Industries in making Edmonton a more inclusive and compassionate city. Therefore, I, Mayor Don Iveson, do hereby proclaim May 6th to 10th, 2019, Goodwill Week in Edmonton, Alberta's capital city, dated the 6th day of May, 2019. Mayor Don Iveson, Mayor of the City of Edmonton. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Council. Thank you, everyone across Edmonton and across Alberta for celebrating with us Goodwill Week 2019.